Are you kidding me? The alien?
Hello, Evan.
Hello.
Oh, cool. Another
Ultraman.
Ultraman. Yeah.
Wait, you open it 6 bucks.
Welcome back in Evan and Ray
This video.
Toys video. We forgot that.
You open it 6.
Which one you will gonna open it first, Evan?
Maybe this.
Wait, this one? Okay, open it, Evan. I will
Wait.
open. No, we open it one by one.
Yes.
We're gonna open it this first. You figure, oh, close to the giant
Wait.
dino monster. Yes, so big, Adam.
Wait, we have one.
Where is it? Oh, he holds a lightning. Like, oops, sorry.
Just like you say, just like Lightning McQueen.
Yes, a red lightning. Oops, like this. Nice. Yes, it's like a lightsaber, but it lightning shape. Ready, Evan?
The box can move.
So cool. Okay,
Extra parts
finish.
is
This is the
broken.
extra parts for build the giant dino or the monster, and this is the vehicle of the Ultraman.
And then they say
So cool.
Ultraman.
I think this will be supposed to be the leg of the giant dino. But for now, this is a vehicle for the Ultraman. So cool. I don't know what his name is. It Ultraman Zero? No,
Ultraman Zero.
maybe. Okay, let's continue for the next box of Ultraman.
Ultraman again.
Ultraman again. Finish. I finished the job on the Ultraman.
No.
This is so cool. The printings, the weapon. Okay, let's wait for the vehicle that
so
Eben
hard.
built.
Like this.
It has a gap in here, but it's okay. At least it's finished. This is our new figure 2 figure. So cool, so cool. We're gonna open it too later, tomorrow maybe, and we're gonna build the giant dino soon. Okay, here you go, our new Ultraman from LELE Bricks, LELE Toys. Ultraman, so cool, Eben. Okay, see ya. Thank you for watching. See you next time on our next video. Everything about toys. Okay, Eben, see you next time. Bye bye, Eben.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Oh, so cool. Zzz.